Welcome. If you're tired of constant push notifications from LinkedIn every time you receive a page invitation, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable push notifications for page invitations on LinkedIn using the latest update right from your PC. First, open your preferred web browser and head to linkedin.com. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile picture labeled as Me. Go ahead and click on it to open the drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your main account settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Click on Notifications. This section is where you can manage all the different alerts LinkedIn sends you, including push notifications. Next, scroll down until you find the Pages section. Click on it, and you'll see various notification options related to LinkedIn pages. Locate the Page Invitations setting. Here, you'll see a toggle for push notifications. Simply switch this toggle off to disable push notifications for page invitations. That's it. You've now turned off push notifications for page invitations. This means you'll no longer get those pop-up alerts every time someone invites you to follow a new page. You can always revisit these settings if you change your mind or want to adjust other notification preferences in the future. Taking a few moments to customize your LinkedIn notifications can help you stay focused and reduce distractions, making your professional networking experience much smoother. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more streamlined LinkedIn feed.